Hey, you nearly did have the freaking head out there. You won't get in there. Just get to the side, mate. It's a bus coming through. The festivities. I'm not drinking though. Nice meeting you, nice Joe. They're calling him. Colin's on there. Joe, what's your call? Joe's here, mate.
On, Satan, let's go. Film never gyd fan'na. Paid ag wrth y ffôn, chdi?
Big Jimmy Breezy up here now.
Hey, come on. Faint mae'n dweud? Head! Head! Head on a fish! Makes me feel this way. Ain't nobody like Jonathan. Makes me happy. Makes me everywhere we go. And the Cofis boys making all the noise. Everywhere we go. Here we go, boys!
Castle. Let's get BB!
You're out, Neds.
Get him in, Neds! Mr. Sherman! Get him in! Get him in! The pre-shot are we walking backwards? Nah, mate, get the bus!
Right, you, come on.
He's carrying that.
Any chance, Charlie?
Just so the
Have an experience there. Something special that, mate. Yeah, very good.
Enjoy that, mate.
Very good. Yeah, definitely. Just seeing the amount of people here now as well. Pretty special. Got to admit, never been involved in anything like that before, but no, credit to the people coming out. Outstanding. Hopefully the chairman will get us a couple of beers now, but we'll wait and see.
Yeah, we'll see.
Well, I can't come. I can come to the pub.
This is your first time in front of the camera for the YouTube channel. Right, you've had it's been a long season for the girls in the Welsh Premier League.
It's been tough, A big step up from the North Wales League.
Yeah, is that due to the travelling? Is that just the quality of football?
Both really. You know, it's a big hassle to that distances. There's 7 clubs in South Wales, 3 in North Wales. We make at least 7 journeys all the way to South Wales each. When the southern teams make three journeys, so it's tough. But the girls have been committed. They're fair play. They've stuck to it.
Yeah. You know, I know you've got a pretty young squad, haven't you?
Yeah.
You know, a year in the Welsh Premier League must have developed them a lot as a team.
Well, they've learned they need to do things a bit quicker. They haven't got time to dwell on the ball. They came up from the North Wales League thinking they were queens of the pack, you know, and then they got a bit of a surprise when they found they didn't have much time on the ball, you know.
Yeah, yeah. But did you see as the season went on that there was a lot of improvement in them?
Yeah, it's slower than I would like.
Yeah.
You know, we definitely need some new blood.
Yeah. So what's going to be the plan over the summer months for you, Keith?
Well, rest up now, you know, because we've done a lot of work. It's been a long season, so rest up, start working again in late July, August. Go to a tournament or 2, recruit new players. Yeah. Definitely new players.
Right. You've got your eye on the few. But you're not going to tell me.
No.
Do you know yet which league you're going to be playing at next season?
No, we've technically been relegated, but it depends on whether anybody else from the North Wales setup agrees to go up. A lot of teams have refused in the past to go because of the obvious hassle. And
if you had the choice, would you prefer to stay in the Welsh Prem?
Of course.
Yes?
Yes.
Brilliant. Is that because of the quality?
Well, you always want to play at the highest level, don't you? You want to be there at the table.
Brilliant. Well, thanks very much, Keith. Diolch yn fawr.
Cheers.
Hi guys, dust are settled now on the season. We just had our first close season board meeting. How do you think that went?
It went really well. I quite enjoy it, to be fair, because it gives me a good idea and a clear idea about the club happenings, really. You know, as far as the academy goes and the ladies team. And it's just generally good just to catch up and just, you know, fire a couple of ideas at each other. But yeah, I mean, the silly season, as it's been dubbed, has started like for myself and Fish. You know, the boys can enjoy a couple of weekends off now. But for us, I think that the hard work starts. But it's something that we're looking forward to. You know, I've even spoken to a few of the boys, and they're just raring to go like for the new season. So, you know. Mrs is still speaking to me. We've got our wedding like in 4 weeks' time, so I've maybe got to put a little bit of attention to that. But no, we're raring to go, and you know, plans and that for pre-season are falling into place. Like, so yeah, no, we're really looking forward to it.
Now, I know you understand Welsh, Sean, so I'm going to switch to Welsh now.
That's fine, no problem.
To cofi Welsh, anyway.
That's fine.
Rich, peth gynta, ddim pentra di Gaernarfon ac i?
Na, tre. No, Mr Chairman di...
Wedi dweud.
Allan yn y board meeting, dwi'n maint fi.
Na fo. Isio gofyn ydw fi, nath o sgwad i gyd fynd am weekend, do?
O, do.
Lle ydych chi?
Athyn ni Manchester, athyn ni briliant yn noson, athyn ni nos Wener, athyn ni'r gwpan i godi flaen y cofi am i gyd. Wedyn athyn ni'n blaena i Manchester, dwi'n meddwl ni'n cyrraedd at 10:12. Wedyn athyn ni allan, a dwi'n meddwl athyn ni adra tan tan di 4, pawb yn excited. Wedyn, dwi'n wedyn oedd ni'n mynd i heido crisis. Dwi'n meddwl gathon ni llawer o wyna, so gathon ni ffantastig.
Couple of sharks, couple of sharks.
Ond dwi'n siŵr bod pawb yn heido ac yn gwybod bod ac yn am y tam yn ar ôl ni adael efo'r fideos.
Dwi wedi gweld rhai o'r fideos na de. Yeah, I heard this good story about Gaz Edwards.
There was, yeah. No, there was. Gaz, you know, I'll go on record in saying, and he loves me saying that as well, goodbye going on record, but I'll go on record in saying that Gaz Edwards organised a fantastic end of season do. Yeah. The problem was he didn't plan ahead, needed to see a cash machine, and then it proceeded that 15, 16 of us, we just boarded the train and you just saw this massive giraffe with big massive legs and glistening white teeth trying to catch up this train, but this train just like took off, and we all waited at the Newton Willows train station, and you know, there he was like on the next train, so we got a hero's welcome. But you know, like Fish said, it was good, you know, it was deserved. Thankfully, you know, the old lady returned back in one piece. But yeah, it was good. It was good to have a couple of beers with the boys, and you know, despite a couple of the Cymru Lions teams finishing late, it was just good to get us all together. You know, speak partly about next season, but basically just let our head down really and have a couple of beers. So yeah, it was a really good weekend. Okay, and
wsos dwytha, penwythnos wedyn, athyn ni ar yr Open Toppers, a felly gathon ni'r presentation night. Ydych chi'n mwynhau hynna?
Presentation night, briliant. Un o'r gorau dwi wedi bod yn involved yn nhw. Chwarae teg i'r genod, oedd nhw wedi mynd i massive effort efo'r balloons a'r canaries, a wedyn photo frame on the Facebook. Instagram, sorry, not Facebook, yeah. So chwarae credit i'r genod a mynd i'r effort, wedyn Alex Philp, genius.
Fantastic,
he'd give you a run for the money.
He would, yeah, to be fair. Different class.
So,
different class.
Yeah, and wedyn y band, a wedyn the presentation, I got awards a noson llwyddiannus iawn, dwi'n meddwl, nath pawb really enjoyo, wedyn oedden ni mlaen wedyn ni copa do. Oedden nhw'n chwarae teg di reid BIP section i ni, a wedyn gen ni couple of drinks o fanna, gyda'r flag, a felly just noson byth gofiadwy eto, efo'r hogia pawb efo'i gilydd. Y bond na sy'n yma rhwng y tîm, dwi'n meddwl, yn amazing, ond just adio iddo mewn ffordd, so gret, noson gret.
So gorffan y tymor mewn steil, ie?
Ie, dawn ti'n bod yn ôl yn y good books yn missus.
Sean, I was relieved to see you here tonight, actually, and you brought the old lady back, didn't you?
Yes.
Because we've been worried about that.
I've been worried, yeah. I don't know how it happened, but it ended up in my mum and dad's living room after the presentation night. And off the record, Big Reese is getting married this weekend, so I think I'll speak on behalf of the club and wish him Reese all the best for his wedding day. He actually wants it as part of his speech, so you know, hopefully there'll be some video coverage like as to why he wants it. Like, but no, you know, it was great. We carried it around Manchester like for a while because we were ages looking for the hotel, to be fair. And yeah, it was on. You know, a couple of people were wearing it upside down like last week in Copa, but no, it was good. Yeah, you know, the open top bus was fantastic. The welcome we got at the castle is something that I won't forget. Certainly, you know, you look at the Wolves and the Cardiff Cities and even Manchester City tonight with the hundreds and thousands, but like even us with 700-800 people, like whatever it was, it had that same effect. And yeah, we had a couple of beers with the fans, and it was just good, you know, all the kids and that having pictures with the trophy, and you know, like you mentioned there before, like Fish mentioned about the bond, and you know, we're going to need that more than ever this year. To be fair, it's going to be a really tough year, but like I said, it's one that we're all looking forward to. We'll have a couple more weeks off, and then we're back to it back end of June.
Brilliant. Well,
I think your dad needs a mention, to be fair, because the cup is extremely clean, as you can see, it's shining.
Do you know what? Yeah,
down to your old man.
He did, yeah. It was glistening on the presentation, right? So yeah, Dad, Ian Eardley, thank you for that. Then he was upset because I think Alex Ramsey, I think Sean Kavanagh, I think Gaz Ed's wearing it on the head, so there was a couple of finger marks. So I've just actually ran my polish over it like before Reese's wedding day. But yeah, no, he'll like that. He'll like that little plug there, Fish. Nice one for that. But yeah, nice one.
Wel, oce then. So, diolch yn fawr iawn am cymryd yr amser I siarad o fi. Sean, dwi wedi dweud na ni cyfweliad o'ch ti'n Gymraeg rhywben.
Dim problem.
A da ni am wneud un dydyn dros yr ha, ie?
Ie, alright, dim problem.
Wel, diolch yn fawr i chi ac mwynhewch y brec.
Diolch, Paul. Nice one.
Thank you.